Officers found 16 guns at the Milwaukee airport in 2024. It's actually fewer than the 19 that they found the year before. There were around 18 firearms found every day nationwide. That's also a drop from 2023. 94% of those guns loaded. More than 904 million people were screened this year by TSA. If you do the quick math, that means there were more than 7 firearms per million passengers. Wisconsin TSA Federal Security Director Mark Lenve says bringing a firearm to the checkpoint is a careless, dangerous mistake that can be easily avoided.